so we got the fire going good.
And now we think we hear raccoons.
And now we think we hear raccoons, which is scary. So we're just gonna
Oh my gosh.
get a stick.
That cloud is like giant and black.
I know. There's black clouds flying over and stuff. I just put the stick in my mouth. Ew. That hurt.
Disgusting.
That hurt.
Here's a good one. It can fit my hand.
Gross. This is on the ground.
I bet a deer peed on it.
Okay, shh.
Oh, wait.
Wait, I want to get the kitty's shadow. Kitty, hi. Use your head. But there's our fire. And we might have to put it out, but then the raccoons will come after us.
Yeah.
And I'm afraid there's like raccoons up in the trees because they can climb.
I'm afraid there might be monkey things in the trees.
Monkeys? Seriously?
Monkey things in the tree like in the second Hunger Games
I
book.
just dropped the
Like
matches.
Like in the second Hunger Games book.
Oh,
When they were
yeah.
jumping from trees. Scary.
Anyway, that's our fire that we're gonna put out and run from the raccoons.
Yes.
And there, actually, that might have been deer that we heard because it was crunching.
Okay, well, let's just put
And
the
the
fire
next-
out and we'll keep the sticks out with us. And then...
I'm scared. I don't wanna. What are we gonna do when it goes out?
Wait, Livia. You're scared, right?
No.
Not really?
Because they can sense our fear, so
Yeah.
I'm not gonna be afraid. And plus, we can just do this on that doghouse.
Yeah, so anyway.
Ooh, hold on.
Now, there's a pervert on here, but I'm just going to kick him in the nuts.
A pervert. Okay, well, we're gonna go.
Yeah.